He didn't use his turn signal!
Where are you calling?
Shut the fuck up!
Okay. If you keep calling 911, you could.
It's an emergency!
It's not.
I am getting harassed! People are breaking the law!
It's 7 on the line again. You can hang up.
So what the fuck are they being retarded for? You need to do what the fuck I say now!
Jayla? Jayla, you are in an emotional state. I can't talk with you.
All of you stupid, fat, fucking white privileged motherfuckers keep costing me money! And you do whatever the fuck you want!